Assalamualaikum everybody, welcome back to my channel RFunDiaries. My name is Rehan Khan and I hope you all are doing amazing. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a detailed review of Diary of a Wimpy Kid Cabin Fever. This is the 6th book in the Diary of a Wimpy Kid series and the author of this book is Jeff Kinney. As you can see, Jeff Kinney is written right here. The main character of the book, who is also my favorite character, is Greg Heffley, and in this Wimpy Kid series, we are going to see his journey through middle school. Now, let's talk about some funny moments in the book. First of all, there's a moment where Greg has to do some pull-ups, but he can't. So he asks his PE teacher that if he can do the rest of the pull-ups at home for homework, but he needed some proofs. So he took some of his mom's mascara and drew a six-pack to make sure that to make some proof. But actually, everybody else did that, and it seemed into something very weird. And they didn't find out. And already the PE teacher actually found out. Now, I'm going to be reading the back for you, so you guys actually know how this works. Greg Heffley is in big trouble. School property has been damaged and Greg is the prime suspect. But the crazy thing is, he's innocent, or at least sort of. The authorities are closing in, but when a surprise blizzard hits, the Heffley family is trapped indoors. Greg knows that when the snow melts, he's gonna have to face the music. But could any punishment be worse than being stuck inside with your family for the holidays? And by the way, this locked up thingy, whatever it's called, is actually a moment in the book that happens. And it's because like a blizzard hits and stuff that happens, and this is like a really good book. Also the words are not that difficult like in other books. It's like like words, and you always have to take a dictionary or ask your parents what is the meaning of this exact word. But in Wimpy Kid, it's completely different. It's like a easy readers, like it's easy to read, enjoyable. And really, I really love this series. It's actually one of my favorite series in the world. And here's also the back too. And also here's the front and then the side of the book. Isn't that cool? Well, actually this is like a really nice book. I really enjoy reading books like these, and I have even more books. This is not the only book. I literally just got this book today just to review it with you guys, and I just wanted to do that. And I also did the review, and I'll see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.